Okay, good morning and welcome to my channel. I don't normally do reviews for specific contractors I deal with, but I wanted to tell you guys about Mr. Alex Tobias. This young man has been working on our company's website and has done an amazing job. Now, before I get into this video, I just want to let you know that he's unaware that I'm doing this. He is not paying me to do a video about him, but I do believe when credit is deserved, then you should give it. And this is a pretty amazing young man. So, I interviewed about 20 different companies and other people that develop WordPress and do web design or do full stack website design and or web page design, whatever you want to call it. And what I find is a lot of these companies want to hold you hostage with either they want to own your domain or they want to own the hosting and different things. There's a lot of clever games to keep continually force you into having to pay them a monthly fee for the rest of your life, which essentially turns your website into a cash machine for them. Mr. Tobias was happy to work with me. I purchased my own domain. It remains in my control. I purchased my own hosting, and it remained in my control. And actually, with Alex's help, I was able to purchase better hosting, and now my website is much faster. I wish I had talked to him before I had bought it, but So let me tell you a little bit about what Alex can do. If you take a look at my website, it's nothing short of a miracle. Now, I will tell you that I chose a web theme, but Alex has redesigned the whole damn thing. It's, I mean, level. So we sit on the phone and we're communicating by video as we're working through this process. Now, look, a lot of companies you deal with, you would be lucky if they wouldn't want the whole project up front. They're unwilling to make any changes, and you might get 5 minutes of verbalization over the phone to them. Alex will work with you over the phone by video until he articulates every single detail for a website. I know this one page I spent a considerable amount of money and time. I think me and Alex probably put in 20, maybe 30 hours in this one single page. So it has a lot of moving animations and CCS stuff like that. But as you can see, it's not a joke. This young man does some real good work. We custom designed this part here, and as you can see, there's a lot of moving elements, pictures, videos, links, additional information, and it keeps on going. Now, Alex didn't write all the content. I have a professional writer for that, but I just wanted to show you the level of his work. It's nothing extraordinary, nothing extraordinary of amazing. In addition to that, he's able to do a lot of other stuff, and I gave him credit down here as well. He's linked in at the bottom, and he helped me with the booking page as well, and we're doing a lot more pages. I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff. So the book appointment, he's helped integrate Stripe, appointment softwares, edited things meticulously for me, and we've done hundreds of revisions. You won't get this kind of service or level of service from a company without paying them $1 million, or you'll simply just get rid of them. And so I got to tell you, I interviewed a lot of different people. You were either going to do the project the way that I wanted it, or we weren't going to do business. And so we've got in this society today, everything has to be a little package. You buy the package, you never talk to the human being, and then you're lucky if the person that you bought the package from is not somewhere, in the woods of India or out somewhere in the desert in Australia. You know what I'm saying? So you get some idiot, that's being paid a nickel an hour just doing the back end development for you. Alex doesn't do that. He doesn't subcontract his work. He does the work himself. So please don't interpret my comments about people in other countries as being bad. I'm just saying that I understand how some of these web designers are really not web designers. Alex does know what he's doing. He can write the code. I've seen him do it live. He can make all kinds of changes and edits. So if he can make an amazing site like this young man's not selling cookie cutter websites. He can do custom. Now, take a look at Alex's website. Now, what you can see here, he's did his own work. His designs are highly responsive, and they are kind of set in the way that they do look. But I want you guys to understand he can do things outside of this. So let's take a look at his projects. So he's got a bunch, and his websites are often colorful. They're extraordinarily fast, they're highly efficient, and he's coded them himself. These are not cookie cutter themes. I know that some of them somewhat look alike, but the reality of it is he does an amazing job. You would regret not having this guy on your team because you're not going to get this level of service from another company. And so I will continue as a business to use Alex, and I certainly want him to feel appreciated. So I've made this video, in honor and respect of what the work that he's done. So Alex, now, so I want to remind you, my friend, Sunday, I expect you bright and early. We got a 4-hour session, and so, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're out there looking for a website, give Alex a try. I think you'd be impressed. He's a busy man, but you're, like I said, you're not going to get this kind of level of service from ordinary companies. And even if you paid him $20,000, you'd be lucky to get a quarter of what Alex offers. So I thank you all for joining me in this video, and I hope it in some ways would help you as a decision to hire somebody that has a lot of experience with Elementor or Elementor Pro, that can do WordPress websites and can do custom design or custom design websites. Thank you for your time. Y'all have a good one.